Welcome. What kind of questions are asked with your NET paper 1? With the changing paper pattern and increasing difficulty for NET level, it's really important to understand what kind of questions are asked. So within our extensive lecture series, we have actually updated the content regularly. So if we search the 2013 here, you would see what kind of questions were asked in the previous examination. So in 2022, there was a question based on citation analysis which talked about MLA, MPA, Chicago. So one of them was asked in the question. We have tried to include all of these here in the lecture. Then the common abbreviations which are used in bibliography. Again, this is a rare question, but this was asked in 2022. If we talk about 2023, there were questions related to various ancient universities. For example, Sridhanya Kattak was one of the universities, very less commonly heard. You have ample of studies on Nalanda Takshila, but we have done extensive study on one of the original literatures of Sridhanya Kattak, and we have brought this content for you, which is updated content as per the recent 2023 examination which was conducted in December. Also, we have brought in topics related to some of the major schools and colleges which were established during the East India Company, the period that's 1600s, and during the time 1857 and beyond, right? So clearly categorizing those establishment dates and the major colleges, the major leaders who were supporting those have been discussed here. Again, from higher education, some of the current affair topics like new IITs, new IIMs, new institutions, aims which have been established. From the environmental perspective, we have talked about the concepts of ozone depleting substances, particulate matter, emissions from particulate matter, radiative forcing as one of the important topics. Then LED was one of the questions. Now LED, there were questions which talked about types of LED. So we have covered OLED, QLED into detail. Cooperative learning, the various stages, the 5 stages are really important. Now these are some of the topics which have been updated with the existing curriculum, and every time we see some of the new questions and we keep updating those based on the requirement. If you have any questions or clarifications for your paper 1, feel free to connect on the given number below. Thanks for joining in. Have a wonderful day ahead.